Hey guys, my name is Pranav. I was originally an undergraduate student here at UTA studying computer science, and I'm now pursuing my master's in computer science through the fast track program. I'm originally from India. I grew up in Dubai all my life. I moved here at the age of 18 to do my undergrad. I guess it started in high school when I had to choose an elective, and I found computer science to be a very fun elective. I didn't think too much about it at that time. I never expected to enjoy it as deeply as I did in high school. So that's why I chose computer science. I enjoyed it in high school. I've taken a lot of really interesting classes. Natural language processing was a very fun class. There's also Introduction to Machine Learning by Professor Vasilis Atitsos. That class really, it gave me a really fine-grained understanding of how machine learning models are actually built and how they work under the hood, because he teaches you to build these models from scratch. And that's really fun because that's something that's hard to do and hard to fully understand when you're new to it. It's a very, very useful thing to know if you want to build a personal project, if you want to build an app, be an entrepreneur, whatever. Also, I would say the one professor that's had the most impact on my life would be Dr. Chenkai Lee. He taught me how to do good research. And I was always interested in research from all the way from high school. It taught me a lot about how to write clearly, how to put ideas across on paper clearly, and how to think as a researcher. So my seniors were super amazing to me. They provided me with a lot of insight into how to interview well, a lot of engineering street smarts to do well in an internship, to access opportunities where a lot of people don't even register that there is an opportunity. Talk to your seniors and connect with them. UTA has been phenomenal at giving me access to opportunities that build my skills and portfolio so that I would be a good match to access internship opportunities. So I did an internship at a company in Dubai. I also interned at AMD in Austin, Texas, and at the Adobe headquarters in San Jose, California. If I had to pick one thing at UTA that really helped me set myself apart and get access to internships would be quality research. There's a lot of research opportunities here. It can seem hard to get the good research opportunities, but I would say the way to tackle those is to first take initiative, build things of your own, and show proof of competence. I would give 3 pieces of advice to incoming students. Number 1 would be, do the thing now. A really close friend of mine and a mentor, he once told me, we as people, we have the tendency to postpone, especially with the big decisions. You could want to do a lot of things, but you should take action now. Don't postpone, but fight against that urge. Second piece of advice would be to understand the compounding effect of work. When you put in the work, initially it looks like it's linear, and then you stay at it, it goes exponential. So if you keep thinking about the results that you want to achieve, you might get discouraged when you're here, but you keep pushing past and not caring about the results. You finally make it here, and you realize it was exponential all along. You just had to zoom out and put more years into it. And the third and last piece of advice I have to give, I would say, is to talk to faculty. I see a lot of students, they don't engage, they don't talk with them. I would say, guys, start talking. Start talking with your faculty, be passionate about something, find something that interests you. So I think that is the most powerful insight I received during my time at UTA. And I'm genuinely grateful for all the people I've met here. There are some amazing faculty, some amazing seniors I've had, and also friends. They've helped me a lot, and I genuinely do hope all the information I'm sharing here might help at least a few people down the line. And I just wish all the very best for everyone who looks at this video.